So over here, you can see that I have a Figjam file, and if I were to click and drag this, then this is what you have. So now what I'm going to do is, if I were to zoom in, click and drag around, you can see that it freely goes around right here. But as soon as I leave it out, it snaps onto a point right here. So if I were to go around onto the file menu right here, and if I were to go around over here onto preferences, you can see that snap to grid is on. So if I were to click on this, now what happens is that I do not need to keep it on a grid right here. So if I were to go around right here onto preferences and turn on snap to grid, now you can see it snaps onto place right here. So let me just zoom out right here, and over here I can just move this out, and here everything works the same for other objects over here as well. So there's other option right over here as well. So if I were to use control and use the scroll mouse button right here, what happens is that it zooms in from one direction, zooms out from one direction. But if you want to invert it, you can invert it from over here by clicking on this. And what happens is that the direction of zoom changes out right here. So here it says shake cursor for a high five right here. So if I were to go around, shake my cursor, you can see high five appears right here. But if I were to go around right here and disable this, it does not pop up anymore. I can go around over here and shake again. Now, again, what happens is that you got a high five, as you can see. So this is very, very helpful for a team collaboration and other things. So this is how you can work around with the preferences inside of a Figjam file. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.